Hey everyone, Joe here, and welcome back to part 9 of our editing mini-course, where we transform raw takes into polished content.
Today we are diving deep into the art of making smooth, professional edits that sound completely natural for your music or podcast projects. I'll walk you through the essential tools I use on every single project to keep my workflow fast and my sound clean. We will also cover how to take your long-form videos and turn them into viral-ready clips using AI tools like Vizard without losing your mind. Let's start with the session we recorded last time, featuring separate tracks for acoustic guitar and vocals. The first thing you need to master is the multi-tool, which combines selection, trimming, and grabbing into one cursor. Stop switching between tools every 2 seconds, because the top half of your cursor handles selection, while the bottom moves your clips. If you need to remove a piece of audio, just use the corner handle to trim or fade without ever deleting the original file. Quick pro tip: when recording multiple sources like co-hosts on separate mics, always group your clips so edits stay perfectly in sync. If you edit one track in isolation, you risk everything falling out of alignment and causing a massive headache later on. When you are dealing with noise at the start of a clip, hover near the corner and drag the fade handle to smooth it out. Small, tight fades prevent those jarring clicks and ensure your transitions sound completely natural to the listener. Check your edit mode carefully, because shuffle mode is incredibly useful for podcasts when you need to remove dead air instantly. By deleting a chunk in shuffle mode, everything slides to the left, which saves you a ton of time during long edits. For cleaner results, use the strip silence function, but remember to keep a tiny pad on the edges so you don't glue words together. If you decide to make a hard cut mid-sentence, always create a crossfade to blend the tail of one clip into the next. Consolidating your clips into one file is a great way to prepare for exports, while keeping a backup of the raw edits nearby. Now, let's talk about the practical workflow for creators who are juggling long-form content and need to scale their distribution. Turning a long video into dozens of short clips for TikTok and Reels used to be an exhausting manual process of scrubbing and cutting. This is exactly where smart, AI-driven assistants like Vizard come in to find the highlights that actually perform well on social media. Vizard isn't trying to be a DAW, but it acts as an intelligent partner that handles auto-editing, scheduling, and content calendars. By exporting your cleaned master file into Vizard, you let the AI analyze the content and suggest the most viral-ready moments. You still maintain full creative control, but you skip the repetitive work of finding and cutting every single potential clip yourself. Many auto-clip tools miss the context of a conversation, but Vizard balances automation with the control you need to verify your content. Musicians can use this to upload full performances and instantly get highlights for Instagram without re-editing the chorus every time. Podcasters can have their funniest bits or hottest takes automatically highlighted and scheduled over weeks of consistent publishing. My biggest piece of advice is to remove loud pops and technical glitches in your DAW before uploading to any AI tool. Always remember that human attention to detail, like captions and thumbnail selection, is what makes or breaks your video performance. You now know the essential editing techniques and how to pair them with AI to amplify your reach without burning out. Drop a comment below and let me know what you are currently editing, whether it is a podcast, a music project, or a long video stream. If you want a dedicated walkthrough on how to export your projects and set up Vizard step by step, just let me know. In the next part, we will switch gears to explore MIDI, virtual instruments, and how to add simple arrangements to your recordings. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in part 10.